Hey queens, come with me on a journey as I take this hair from this to this in just 3 minutes. First, I'm just laying down my closure with my hot comb and my hair wax. If you want a video on how to lay your closure flat, I have a video on my page. For this video, I'm just showing you how I did all round styling in just 5 minutes. I am just using my hot comb for the closure part to style it into what I want. I want to style this glueless so I can wear it with just a band. So I already sprayed my butterfly shadow on the closure after using my hot comb, and I'm just using this band to just hold it down so it can get dried and I can wear it numerous times without stress and without extra styling. So you have to do this to hold your styling down. If you want just the front to lay down, you can just leave just the front, but there's this particular look I have in mind when I was creating this. That's why I'm using the band on it. So guys, this is it. Now I'm just rolling the hair. This video, like this particular hair I want to roll now, this is how you roll everything. So first you pick your hair, you apply your spray on it. If you don't know what's in that spray can, you can ask me in the comment section and I will tell you. So I combed the hair and I wrapped the tip on the rollers. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Just follow my process and you will be very fine. Just do this for all the hair. You see, I'm going to be doing it again. After combing, I applied my product and now I'm just rolling it on the rollers. The rollers has a clip, so you get a clip and you just clip it. So you do this for all the hairs and you will be fine. Your hair is going to come out nice. You can try this from the comfort of your home. If you know you have both bouncy hairs, you can do this from the comfort of your home. If you can't, you can send it to a stylist. And if you want to do DIY, you can use this as a perfect tutorial to learn. So I'm just finishing up rolling the hair, just as you can see, applying my spray, combing, and I'm using my rollers on it. You can see I'm rolling it inward, not outward. So just follow my steps and you'll be fine. Now guys, this is the end of the video. Now the hair is dried. I let it dry for 3 days and this is the outcome. So I'm just taking off my rollers. See the colors? Yummy. I love it. So just follow my process. There are directions to removing your rollers, but in this particular video, this is for people that want to do DIY at home or people that are not really professionals. You can just remove your curls anyway, because most people cannot actually handle remove from the left, remove from the right. It's so tedious for them. So just do this, just learn, just watch me and be good. So remove your rollers whichever way you can and use your hot comb to just flatten it down, and voila, you will be absolutely good. You want to make sure you remove your roller slowly and gently so you don't scatter the curls when you're removing the roller. So I'm just using my hot comb to flatten the bumpy part of the wig to make it flat. I know you want to ask me why I'm using a butterfly shadow. I'm using it to hold my curls for the freeze hold. It doesn't make my curls drop so easily. And yeah, I'll be using my oil sheen to give it moisture, to give it this sheen, this shiny stuff. I like it a lot. So I'm going to be doing, you see the way I'm doing it for mouth, and I'm using my concealer to just conceal the middle parts to make it more obvious, like more pronounced. That's what I am actually doing. And the hair looks so yummy. Just put the curls. You can brush your curls out if you like, and you cannot brush it out if you still like to, whichever. This hair is so beautiful. Damn. So like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to share to your friends to learn too. Bye. Thanks for watching.